Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to apply step flange in sheet metal. So for this we are going to create any sketch on any plane. I'm selecting the front plane and going to draw a center rectangle. Now selecting sheet metal and convert this rectangle into a sheet metal. So for this I am selecting base plane and making a sheet metal having thickness of 2 mm. After that, here we are going to create any sketch for such plane. So I am selecting any face of the sheet metal and going to draw any sketch here. I'm simply drawing a line and an arc. Now exit from the sketch. Now select sheet metal and select step flange in the sheet metal. So here you have option is given profile and path. So first of all I am going to select the profile. The next option is path. Now I am going to select the path in which I want to swap my sketch. Selecting the corner. Now you can see here this sketch is selected with the reference of path. Here we have flange position and bend radius. You can change it manually. So I'm entering here 2 mm of bend radius. The first option is here is material inside, and the next option is bend outside and material outside. So here I'm selecting bend outside. Now click OK. So here you can see that with the help of text-based flange we are able to create a profile on the whole rectangle of the sheet metal. So this feature is same as we are using in features. Option is here given is swept boss or swept base, you can call it. Same here in this feature we are going to create any sketch or profile and swept this with the reference of any sketch, and as same in the sheet metal. Here we have to draw any rectangle and path and profile and swept the sketch along with your profile. So this is all about the feature is swept flange. Thanks for watching the video.